Want to start earning online but don't know where to begin? You're in the right place. In this video, I'll share 5 beginner-friendly skills that can help you earn $500 to $5,000 a month. No experience needed. Whether you're a creative, a problem solver, or a tech enthusiast, there's something here for you. Let's dive in. First up is affiliate marketing. If you enjoy promoting products and earning commissions, this skill is perfect for you. As an affiliate marketer, you'll promote products or services and earn a commission for every sale made through your referral link. Start by joining affiliate programs like Amazon Associates, Share a Sale, or ClickBank. Many affiliate marketers earn $100 to $5,000 per month, depending on their niche and marketing efforts. To stand out, focus on creating valuable content and building an audience. You can promote products through blogs, social media, or YouTube. With consistent effort, this skill can turn into a passive income stream. Next is photo editing. From social media influencers to small businesses, everyone needs polished photos. If you have an eye for detail, this skill is perfect for you. Start by learning tools like Adobe Lightroom or Photoshop. Many clients pay $10 to $100 per project depending on the complexity. To stand out, a focus on creating clean and professional edits. You can find work on platforms like Fiverr or by reaching out to photographers directly. With consistent effort, this skill can become a lucrative part of your online income. Third is Google Ads management. Businesses need experts to run effective ad campaigns, and if you enjoy analytics and strategy, this skill is perfect for you. Start by learning the basics of Google Ads and how to create targeted campaigns. Many businesses pay $50 to $200 per hour for ad management services. To get started, offer your services to small businesses or freelancers. You can also find work on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. With consistent results, this skill can turn into a high-paying niche. Fourth is business card design. Every professional needs a memorable business card to make a great first impression. If you're creative and love design, this skill is perfect for you. Start by learning tools like Adobe Illustrator or Canva. Many clients pay $50 to $200 per design, depending on the complexity. To stand out, focus on creating clean, modern designs that align with your client's branding. You can find work on platforms like 99 Designs or by reaching out to local businesses. With consistent effort, this skill can turn into a lucrative niche. Finally, let's talk about writing. From blogs to social media posts, businesses need high-quality content to engage their audience. If you enjoy writing, this skill is perfect for you. Start by learning the basics of SEO and content marketing. Many clients pay $50 to $200 per article, depending on the length and complexity. To get started, offer your services on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. With consistent effort, this skill can turn into a high-paying career. And there you have it. 5 skills you can start learning today to make money online. Whether you choose affiliate marketing, photo editing, Google Ads management, business card design, or writing, each of these skills has the potential to help you earn $500 to $5,000 a month. Remember, success comes from taking action. Start small, stay consistent, and keep learning. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss tomorrow's video, where I'll share even more skills to boost your online income. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.